Hi, everybody. It's August. It's Saturday. Why am I at school? Come on, I'll show you. So, on the day we left, the last day of school, June 26th, they began chopping up the schoolyard. So we'd have a brand new play surface and the new Morris Stadium. Oh, look. They're doing the laundry. Well, as you can see, it's a hive of activity way over there. Let's go take a closer look at what's going on. This is interesting. This is in the center of the soccer field where that grate would be. Look how high it is now. Okay, this line, you see, used to be where the floor was. And we've taken it down about 1.5 feet over here to level over there. Look, remember the basketball hoops all gone, and you'd drop a ball and it would roll all the way down to the handball court. Well, no more, my friend. Well, I don't know if you just heard him yell at me. You can't be in here. The public, this is not safe to play yet. But when we come back in September, they promise the stadium will be ready. I have it on good inside information that they're not going to be ready until about October or November. But I'm sure we'll have some awesome times here in the spring. In the meantime, school starts in September. We have about 4 weeks to go. You better bring a pen. See you next time. Enjoy the rest of the summer. Kicked out of my own school. So unfair.